Oh god, this is so bad. It's like scrambled egg now. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be making pancakes. So what you need is a bowl, some syrup, sugar, flour, milk, eggs, and a measuring jug. I don't know how I did it that way. So let's get baking. First of all, you get your bowl, and then you get your flour. You just shove in your flour like so. Get your sugar. When that's in there, get your wooden spoon and give it a bit of a stir. When it's in, make it a little well in the middle. See, it's a nice little well in the middle. You probably can't see it on the camera, but there you go. What you want to do is get some milk and just put it in the jug. You've got some milk in there, put in some water. This will come in a little bit. Well, I've got some bits of sticky bit on me. Oh. While you get your milk and water, you get your egg and you just crack it in. And what you're going to do is pour a bit of the milk in, like so. And what I do is that I get my syrup and I put a little dab of it in as well. And now you just give it a mix. And you just gradually add in bits of milk at a time. You want to stir it till the mixture goes all nice and smooth, with no lumps. As you can see, there's no lumps in it. It's kind of runny but thick at the same time. If it's really runny, it turns into crepes. If it's thickish, it turns into pancakes. And this is the cooking bit. You get your oil, put it in the pan. Now the pan is hot, I think it's hot, time to get your mixture and just plop it in. I'm just making 2 little small batches for now. Okay, maybe it's not that hot just yet to cook it, but yeah. Don't worry, your first pancakes always come out a little bit weird. It's just the way it goes, unless you're a natural, which I'm not. You'll be fine at this. Give it a little check. Still wet. I'm not really an expert at pancakes. They're kind of a hit and miss for me. Sometimes come out perfect, and sometimes they don't. So, let's see how these lots turn out to be like. Can I give my little flip now? Yeah, it's come out better-ish. I think I put too much oil in this pan, but yeah. Well, the first ones were always weird, so they get better. Hopefully. Yeah, as you see, that's the first one. Doesn't look that bad. Time for round 2. How do you know? They smell quite nice. bit messy. Yeah, I feel like a whole lot better now. Now flip. Oh. A little bit burnt. It's a little bit burnt in the side. I think I left it on the side a bit too long. I think I made it a bit too thick as well to go on too. Yeah, it's kind of better now. I just made the mixture a little bit more runnier to see if it worked that way, because I think I kind of did it a bit too thick. So let's see how this one works. I might end up making crepes instead. Either way, this stuff's nice. Pancake crepes. Mm. God, that looks so bad. Oh, looks like scrambled egg. Oh god. Yeah. I don't think it's going very well. It looks more like scrambled egg. Oh god. I'm not professional at pancakes. I should not be allowed to make pancakes. I think I put too much milk in the next time round. I think I made it too runny. I'm not going to attempt to flip it because I'm really bad at the flipping bit. As you can tell, it's really, really bad. Oh god. Anyone up for a scrambled egg pancake? Looks like fried eggs a bit. Oh, this has gone so bad for me today. This isn't going very, very good tonight, is it? I can't make pancakes to save myself. It's like fried eggs. Even that's coming out worse than before. Oh, I'm really bad at this. Oh, things are stuck to the bottom. No, 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 don't be stuck to the bottom. Don't be stuck to the bottom. Please don't. Please don't be stuck to the bottom. Oh god, this has failed already. It's kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan. Oh god. Guess I'll cook it this way from now on. This is such a big fail. Have to fill it pancakes. I succeeded already. Oh god. This is so bad. It's like scrambled egg now. Yeah, this is how you fill it pancakes, everyone. That's what my pancakes look like. Ugh. Well, this is how you fill it pancakes. It's like scrambled egg. God, I wonder what it's like. Yeah, it's just like it's like got the texture of scrambled egg, but it tastes like a pancake. Here's a new invention for everyone: pancake, pancake scrambled eggs. You want something nice and weird and wacky? There you go. That's how you fill up pancakes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully my next video won't fail at cooking anything again. So have a good evening.